When you're working on your car at home, getting proper access underneath can be a real challenge. Today, we're diving deep into the VEVOR Car Lift with 7,000 lbs capacity, a portable solution that promises to transform your home garage experience. Mention link to product in description. Build quality. Let me show you how this thing is constructed. The VEVOR Car Lift uses high-grade Q235B carbon steel. And you know what? It's immediately noticeable when you handle it. This isn't some flimsy equipment that wobbles under pressure. The 7,000-pound capacity isn't just a number on paper. It's backed by solid engineering. Actually, the extended length plates are where this really shines. The 11-inch extension plates expand your contact area significantly. If you've got a long wheelbase truck or SUV, this feature becomes absolutely essential. Height adjustability. Here's the thing about working on different vehicles. You need versatility. This car lift delivers with 4 adjustable lifting columns that you can modify by up to 3.2 inches. The total lifting range spans from 10.24 inches all the way to 26.8 inches. Because different maintenance tasks require different heights, this flexibility becomes crucial. Whether you're changing oil filters or inspecting brake systems, you can dial in exactly what you need. It's not just about maximum height, it's about finding that sweet spot for each specific job. Safety features. Let's talk about what really matters when you're working under a lifted vehicle. The mechanical safety locks are non-negotiable, and this lift handles them well. Once you reach your desired height, these locks automatically engage, preventing any unwanted movement. The lifting pads feature rubber contact surfaces that provide excellent grip and slip resistance. I do appreciate this attention to detail because vehicle stability is everything when you're underneath working. Mobility and storage. Moving on to everyday usability, those 4 high-strength nylon pulleys make repositioning surprisingly easy. You can roll this around your garage without breaking a sweat. And when you're done, the foldable design lets you store it compactly. The 2 sets of handles are particularly thoughtful for wall hanging, though you'll need to supply your own hooks or mounting hardware. For smaller garages, this space-saving capability is genuinely valuable. Real-world performance. After extensive testing, the lift performs consistently across different vehicle types. The 120-volt power unit delivers smooth, controlled lifting without the harsh jolts you might experience with cheaper alternatives. The extended-length plates make a noticeable difference when working on longer vehicles. Standard lifts often struggle with proper contact points on extended cab trucks or long SUVs, but this addresses that challenge effectively. Installation and setup. The comprehensive accessory package deserves special attention. Everything you need comes in the box. 4 rubber pads, 4 lifting columns, 2 hoses, 2 extension plates, 2 handles, 4 casters, and all the necessary bolts and hardware. The manual is detailed with step-by-step instructions and clear illustrations. Most users should be able to complete assembly without professional help, though having a second person available makes the process smoother. Features you may be looking for: 7,000 lbs capacity, adjustable height range, enhanced safety systems, portable design, complete accessory package. Final opinion. After examining everything this VEVOR Car Lift offers, it's clear that this is a solid choice for serious home mechanics and small shop owners. The 7,000-pound capacity covers most vehicles you'll encounter, and the build quality justifies the investment. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.